Creating viral TikTok Shop videos can feel like a never-ending challenge, especially when you have to film, edit, and script every video by hand. I've been there, spending hours on just one video, only to see it fall flat in views. But what if I told you there's a way to automate the whole process and still create high-quality videos that grab attention? After a lot of trial and error, I found a method that not only saves time, but also helps me test products faster and reach more people. With the help of AI, you can now create TikTok Shop videos without even having the product in hand, and the results are incredible. If you're excited to learn these time-saving hacks and want to keep up with the best tips for boosting your TikTok Shop, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I share strategies like this all the time, so you won't want to miss out. Now, let me walk you through how I automate my TikTok videos and take my shop to new levels. At first, I didn't think this was possible. After all, how could I make a video without actually having the product in hand, scripting everything myself, or spending money on expensive equipment? Then, TikTok rolled out a feature where AI-generated videos could be used for ads and content. That's when I realized there had to be a way to put everything on autopilot. I wasn't sure where to start, but after some digging, I discovered a tool that allowed me to create videos with voiceovers, product images, and even a script, all without me needing to touch the product. This method has changed how I run my TikTok shop, and the best part is that anyone can use it to save time and energy. The problem: TikTok videos take too long to create. When I started, my biggest problem was that creating affiliate videos for TikTok took too long. For every product I wanted to promote, I had to order it, wait for it to arrive, then set up my phone or camera to film. I'd spend hours editing the video to make it look good for TikTok's algorithm. And let's be honest, not all of those videos even performed well, which was super frustrating. It felt like I was spending way too much time on something that might not even get views. I knew there had to be a better way, and that's when I began looking for tools to help automate the process. After testing out a few options, I stumbled across a tool that was a total game changer for me. This tool allows me to create fully automated TikTok videos by simply pasting the product link from Amazon, Etsy, or other e-commerce sites. Once I add the product link, it analyzes the information, generates a script, and even creates a video with voiceovers and product images. What I love about it is that it doesn't just give me a basic, boring video. The videos it produces look professional and are designed to engage TikTok users. The tool even pulls from reviews and product images already available online, so I don't need to film anything myself. Finding the right products. To get started, I first need to find a product to promote. This step is critical because, let's face it, no video will go viral if the product isn't something people are interested in. I use a combination of Amazon and TikTok trends to get ideas on what to promote, but my go-to tool for finding hot products on TikTok is fastmoss.com. It's an incredibly powerful TikTok analytics platform that lets you see which products, creators, and shoppable videos are trending right now. You can dive deep with filters by category, units sold, commission rates, and more to find products that really resonate with your audience. I found it super helpful as a TikTok Shop affiliate. It saves so much time and effort when it comes to finding those viral products. I know there's a cost, but here's something I love. You can grab a 7-day free trial with the link in my description. And honestly, you don't even need the full week. Most of us can find exactly what we need within a day or two. So you can sign up, explore the insights, and cancel if you're not ready to keep going. Give it a try. I think you'll see just how valuable it is for finding your next winning product. I often look for products that are selling a solid amount of units, somewhere between 1 to 5K ideally, but under 10K because I don't want to promote a product that's too saturated. For example, this push-pop fidget toy was trending all over TikTok, and when I saw it being sold for as low as $1.55 with free shipping, I knew it had the potential to go viral. Using Creatify AI to create the video. Once I have my product picked out from FastMoss, the next step is to search the product name in Google, find and copy the product link, which usually comes from Amazon or another e-commerce site, and paste the link into my video tool. The AI analyzes the product and automatically pulls images, reviews, and other relevant information to create an interesting video. At first, I was skeptical about whether these videos would look professional, but I was surprised. The tool even provides multiple video styles to choose from, so I can customize each video depending on the product and target audience. Whether I want a full-screen video focusing solely on the product or a split-screen format with an AI avatar explaining the product, I have plenty of options to make the video stand out. One of the most useful features is the automatic script generator. This feature saves me a ton of time because, let's be honest, writing scripts for every product can be tiring. The AI creates a script based on the product description, but if I want to personalize it, I can easily make changes. Sometimes I'll look at other viral TikTok videos to get an idea of what kind of script works best, and then adjust the AI-generated script to fit that style. For instance, if the product is a toy for kids, I'll write something like, "If you're struggling to keep your kids entertained, this push-pop toy is the perfect solution. It's fun and interactive and keeps them busy for hours." Simple but effective. After the script is ready, I move on to selecting the voiceover and avatar. This part is really cool because the AI voices sound incredibly realistic. I can choose between male and female voices, and I can even adjust the tone to make it sound more excited or calm depending on the product. For example, if I'm promoting something fun and playful like the push-pop toy, I'll pick a voice with more energy to match the tone of the video. There are also AI avatars that can appear in the video, making it look like a real person is talking about the product, which is super engaging for viewers. Once I've chosen the voice and avatar, it's time to finalize the video. The tool allows me to edit almost everything: voiceovers, visuals, captions, and even the background music. This is great because sometimes the automatic video isn't perfect from the start, so I can make small adjustments to improve it. I usually start by muting or changing the background music if it feels too distracting. TikTok is all about short, energetic videos, so I try to keep things simple and focused on the product. I also make sure the captions are bold and easy to read. On TikTok, captions are essential because many users scroll through videos with the sound off, so if they can't immediately tell what the video is about, they'll just skip it. I also like to add some fun emojis to keep the captions visually interesting. After all, TikTok is a platform where creativity is key. Now that the video is ready, I can render it and upload it to TikTok. The tool I use gives me a few free credits, so I can create a couple of videos for free to test things out before committing to a paid plan. Once I upload the video, I make sure to use relevant hashtags and monitor how the video performs. TikTok is all about testing, so I don't expect every video to blow up right away. However, because I can create multiple videos quickly using this method, it allows me to test more products without spending a ton of time or money. One of the best things about this method is that I can easily split test different versions of a video. For example, I can create one video with an avatar and another without, or I can test different scripts and see which one performs better. This flexibility has helped me identify winning products faster because I can quickly see which videos are getting more views and engagement. As I've gotten better at using this method, I've been able to scale up my efforts. I taught my virtual assistant how to use the tool, so now we're creating 10 videos a day. This has freed up a lot of my time, and it means I'm constantly testing new products and finding out what works. The best part is that I don't need to be in front of the camera myself, and I don't even need to own the product. The AI-generated videos look professional enough to convince potential buyers without me needing to film anything personally. Of course, this method isn't perfect, and not every video is going to go viral, but it has made a huge difference in how efficiently I can create content for TikTok Shop. Before, I was spending hours on a single video that might not even perform well. Now, I can create multiple videos within a fraction of the time and test them to see which products have the most potential. This has helped me increase my sales and grow my TikTok Shop without burning out. If you're looking for a way to automate your TikTok Shop video creation process, this method is a game changer. By using AI tools to handle everything from script writing to video editing, you can save time, test more products, and ultimately increase your chances of going viral. In the fast-moving world of TikTok, testing is key, and this method lets you do just that, quickly and efficiently. And to make sure you're choosing products that are already trending, don't forget to use FastMoss for insights on what's performing best on TikTok right now. By automating your video creation and using tools like FastMoss, you'll have more time to focus on what truly matters, increasing your affiliate sales. So, if you're serious about boosting your TikTok shop, give this method a try. You'll be amazed at how much easier it becomes to create videos that not only look great, but also help drive sales and take your shop to the next level. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And if you know someone who could use these TikTok shop automation tips, go ahead and share it with them. This is Digital Hippie, reminding you to work less, earn more, and live hippie. Catch you in the next one.